Castor oil is one oil that has been used for centuries due to its incredible health benefits. But regrettably, most people tend to use it so wrongly that they don't get the best results. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to use castor oil for maximum benefit. Should you take it orally or directly on your skin? Is it better in the morning, afternoon, or night? And how much should you actually be using? In this video, we are going to answer all of these questions. Now, castor oil is actually derived from castor beans either by extraction or by pressing. And the active ingredient in this oil is called ricinoleic acid, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. It is antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory, it is antimicrobial, and has pain relieving properties. Now, whether to use castor oil on your skin or orally actually depends on your motive. Now, when it comes to using castor oil on your skin or topically, you actually have to make sure that you are targeting the right area for the right reason. If you have moles on your skin, castor oil can help get rid of this problem. And how you do this is by mixing a few drops of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda, and you are going to massage it on that surface where you are having these moles. And you are going to do this consistently for several days, and that is going to help clear up this problem. For arthritis and joint pain, castor oil is really effective. And how you do this is by placing a clean cloth inside castor oil, and you're going to place it on your joint and cover with a plastic wrap. To amplify this effect, what you are going to do is to apply heating using a heating pad for about 20 to 30 minutes. This method allows castor oil to penetrate deep into your tissue and provide long-lasting results or long-lasting effects. So for your acne, again, castor oil is also very good because it is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. Using castor oil on your skin is going to help reduce the bacterial load on your skin. It's going to help destroy those bacteria that are responsible for acne. Okay, now there are two methods to use castor oil to get rid of acne. The first method is by mixing castor oil with carrier oil like almond oil or coconut oil, and the second method is by mixing castor oil with baking soda, and you are going to massage it all over your face where you are having that acne. For hair and scalp, castor oil is really very good. And if you want to apply castor oil to your hair and scalp, how you do this is by preheating your castor oil, not too hot, and you are going to massage it all over your head. And that is going to help improve moisture in your hair. That is going to help stimulate hair growth. That is going to help hydrate your hair, and that is going to help reduce inflammation and free radicals that can result in oxidation in your hair. Okay? If you want to use castor oil orally as an adult, I would actually recommend you take 3 teaspoons of castor oil. In the intestine, castor oil gets broken down into ricinoleic acid, which is going to bind and activate the smooth muscle receptor in your intestine, particularly the E3 and E4 postanoid receptor. Activating this receptor is going to cause your intestine to contract, and this contraction is going to result in intestinal movement, which relieves constipation. So this is why taking castor oil is very good in preventing constipation. And it also happens that the EP3 and the EP4 receptors are also present in the uterus, and as such, taking castor oil works on the uterus and induce labor. And this is actually a great advantage for people who are pregnant. So if you are pregnant, castor oil is really going to be beneficial. It helps induce labor. Now, when it comes to timing, I wouldn't actually recommend you take castor oil before you go to bed. Like if you are taking it orally, most experts will tell you that, but what I found is that castor oil has delay effect on the body. It usually takes about 4 to 6 hours for it to be very effective. So the best time to actually take castor oil orally is actually in the morning on an empty stomach, most especially when you are close to the bathroom, okay? But if you want to apply it directly on your skin, I would actually recommend you do it before you go to bed as part of your nighttime routine, all right? Thanks for watching.